Hello guys, I'm about to share with you a very cool tip to make embroidery patches using Adobe Substance Sampler. It is a very great tool by the way for 3D artists like me who likes to explore new ways to enhance my 3D renders. For example, like here you can see this is an embroidery patch I just made, and what you are seeing right now is just a 2K real-time display of the embroidery patch. Of course, when you upgrade it to 4K and export it in your 3D software and add it in displacement, you can see the results way more better than that. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Here we will import our image to this file and use it as bitmap, and you can keep the resolution at 4K like me and just import it. Now you can see I have imported successfully the image, and now we can also import the legacy filter, embroidery legacy filter. You can find this filter on Adobe Substance library, and so here I have added the image, and now you can see it is loading, and just give it a minute as it is in 4K. Let me put down some resolution to 2K so we can view the results very quickly. And now I'm going to change the colors to 2 so that it just adds the defined patches with relevant colors. Okay, from this drop down you can see you have 3 options: the color material, color image, or custom color. You can just by using that you can also add your own colors if you don't have a colored image of the patch or you want to change the colors of the patch. So this was some basic stuff. As you can see, our embroidery is almost ready, but we have to refine this. For refining, we will go to embroidery scale and we will change its value to 1, and to make it more smooth, reduce the length of the threads. Now you can see the look is about getting better. And now you will take the emboss distance value to 1, and we will reduce the value of thread imperfections to make it look smooth. And next we will change the thread direction to linear, which is the orientation. Yeah, now we are talking about it. Now I will reduce the thread imperfections more to make it more smooth, and you can see our patch is now looking way more beautiful than earlier it was with default settings. Now you can change this to 4K, or you can change the color, or you can change the second thread. Because we have 2 colors, we also need to change the threading and design of the second color too. So yeah, that is basically it. You can see how beautiful it looks already, and when if you will export it, it will look more cool when you will export it with 4K. And it could take some time loading in the 4K, so don't worry about that and just enjoy. Thank you very much for watching this video.